Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Thursday, the 23rd of April, 2020. It's 5:07 p.m. local, which is in Da Nang, Vietnam. This is a look at the 12-hour high probability charts and what I've done on those charts. The new 12-hour candle is at 4 p.m. It's taken me about an hour and 5 minutes to fix all the charts up and get everything up to date. So that's why it's taking so long to get the video going, but it's not too much hasn't moved since that hour, so all good. So this is my watch list on the right here. Anything that's highlighted in blue is ones I've currently got trades on, ones that haven't got a highlight, no trades, and the ones in orange are the ones I'm going to discuss in this video. So there's a bid happening at 4 p.m, so let's go through it. We'll start with the Oz-Swiss. All right, this is my high probability setup. It's a bit messy looking. Don't worry about it. There is a method to my madness. You can pause the video or slow the video down to read my notes and just have a bit of a look where we're at. Buy trades are designated by the blue vertical dashed and the blue solid horizontal. Sell trades are red horizontal, vertical dash and solid red horizontal lines. Stops are these red dotted lines. Any break-even levels are yellow dashed lines. If you see red trend lines, it's signifying some sort of bearish divergence. If you see green trend lines, it's signifying some bullish divergence. Now, I've just tried to make it easier by putting these new little S1, S2. So that stands for sequence 1, sequence 2. That's the start of each of those sequences, so you can follow my notes. So we'll just start at the beginning here. It's in a buy back here. This is an independent trade. It's a buy. There's no other, it's not a part of any sequence. And I've just moved the stop up on this up to 60278. So that's not a sequence. That's just an independent trade. So it's a small buy trade, locking in some profit there. All right, today we had a new signal, buy signal here based on the old hidden bullish divergence. Not only is it it's a second hedge buy on the first sequence, which started here. So we've got a sell, hedge buy, second sell, second hedge buy. So that's this sequence that starts here. So we took a second hedge buy there, which gives me an overall break even just on this sequence of not applicable because it's hedged. And because the MACD Platinum, this is this indicator here, it was below the zero level. Remember, when it's below the zero level, I'm looking for buys. It's just below the zero level. So I've started a new sequence here, a new buy, 61771. So basically two trades taken on the same candle. Overall break even for all trades. Every trade, you'll normally see like this, overall break even is this yellow dashed line up here, 63330. So if price goes bang, shoots up through there, then it's just a matter of managing all these trades and starting to clear out the losses and take the winners. So that's the Oz-Swiss, two new trades taken today and a stop moved. So much of the same today with regards to this. So we'll go to CAD Swiss. Again, a little bit messy. What to do here? All right, buy. So we've got a new buy signal here, again based on hidden bullish divergence. New buy signal here, two trades taken. So we've got sequence 1. I've taken a third hedge buy, 68831. So this started with a sell, hedge buy, second sell, second hedge buy, third sell, third hedge buy. So that's what I've done there. Third hedge buy, that's that sequence there. So it started with a sell with the MACD Platinum above the zero level, and I couldn't get out at break even, so I'm now committed to this sequence. Second sequence starts here. We started with a buy because we're below the MACD Platinum. So buy, hedge sell, second buy. So it's a second buy taken today. So the first sequence is hedged. Second sequence has got an overall break even at 69098, which is just this yellow dashed line in here. You can see the number on the right here. So price is getting close to that already. MACD Platinum still below the zero level, so not taking any action on that yet. Overall break even for all trades is 70484, which is up here. So again, if price shoots up, at least I can manage this sequence here, then worry about the other sequence and add to the profits, hopefully. So that's the plan there. Yep, so 2 trades taken on the same candle. Euro CAD, it's more of the same. Sequence 1 starts over here, sequence 2 starts here. Read the notes. So here is a sell. Today, 2 trades taken. So we've got a third hedge sell taken on sequence 1. So that gives that sequence a break even, not applicable as hedge. So buy, hedge sell, second buy, second hedge sell, third buy, third hedge sell. So that's that trade there. Now the second sequence started on this candle here. MACD platinum's just above the 0 level. So I took a sell, hedge buy, and today I've taken a second sell. So 2 trades taken on the same candle. Overall break even for this, just this sequence 2 here, is 152,131, which we're getting pretty close to already. Overall break even for all trades is down this yellow line. So it's very similar to the CAD Swiss, just reversed. Overall break even down 4,884. So it's down here somewhere. So we'll just concentrate on this sequence first, then we'll worry about the other one. And we'll add to profit, hopefully. So there's a lot of trades going at the moment. Don't get too stressed about it. Look at, overall, I'm only net minus 0.06. So I'm not using up a lot of margin or anything like that. I'm not putting myself under any pressure on the account. So it's no dramas. It looks messy. It's confusing. It's hedging. It's what I'm doing on the 12-hour charts. All right, Euro pound, a little bit different. It's a bit of variety. We've got a new sell signal today. Just before I go back, I'll go back to Euro CAD. I forgot to mention, nice little double top up here. It could be considered a resistance level, double top. It helps with the sell. Euro pound, sorry. Got a sell signal here. I was already in a buy, still in this buy. The buy had still 0.03. I just closed another 0.02 today. That gave me a whopping profit of $6.84, which has been added to the profit to date. And I've taken a sell. We've got a little double top up here. We could call it a, because here's the equivalent trend line. You could call it a hidden bearish divergence, a double top, hidden bearish divergence, same. Taking a sell here. And so we're heading down nicely at the moment. So overall break even, because I've got a sell for 0.02 and a buy for 0.01, my overall break even for both trades is net minus is 87540, which is this yellow line here. And because it's negative net, as long as price stays below that, I can close both trades and be in profit. So that's the Euro pound and USD Singapore dollar, final one. New sell signal today. This is a little bit different, but not too bad. There's 2 sequences again. So this is the first. I should put sequence 1, but that's, you can work it out. It's the first one. There's sequence 2. Sequence 1 starts here. So we've got a buy, hedge sell, second buy, second hedge sell. So that's that there, second hedge sell. So again, I've taken 2 trades in the same candle. And I start another sequence pretty well straight away. And it's a bit of a dodgy one because I don't think this. So it started with a sell because the MACD platinum is just above the 0 level. So we've got a sell, hedge buy, and now we're taking a second sell today. So I've taken 2 sells. One's a hedge for that, and one's a second sell for this sequence. So for this sequence, overall break even 142.094, which is this yellow line right up pretty close to price now. And overall, all trades, overall break even is 141.1246, which is this one here. But again, a few trades on, but we're only net minus 0.06 short. So that's USD Swiss franc. All of these trades I take are recorded on the shared spreadsheet, which I haven't updated as yet, but I'll get onto that very shortly. I'm in the process of changing spreadsheets to make life a little bit easier for me, but you'll be advised when that happens, and everything will get ported across. That's linked to that spreadsheet. It's a Google Drive document. It's in the description to the video, so anyone's more than welcome to look at that. If you do like these videos, guys, please hit the subscribe button, or nothing else, just hit the like button, and that would be greatly appreciated. And the next 12-hour charts will be about 4 a.m. tomorrow, probably about 12 hours from now by the time the spreads and that come in. So chat to you then. Cheers.